Seed starting supplies at Walmart. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello everybody, so it's February right now, and they have seed starting supplies at Walmart. As you can see, they have quite a few different things. You have potatoes over here, you have onions on top, you have some more onion sets and below here, and you have different variety. You have the yellow and the white and the I think the red one over here. You have the mixture of onions sets over here, and on top here you have some potatoes. These are like special potatoes, the red potatoes, the white potatoes, and you have a different variety, the red one right here. So they have quite a good selection right now, since it's the beginning of the getting close to the beginning of the season. So they have quite a few selections right now. So my advice is usually, if you're gonna buy seeds and you intend to buy particular seeds, especially seeds that are not readily available or that are usually scarce, you want to get them early, so that way you don't get them while it's run out. So this over here is just like 50-cent seeds over here that you can get if you're looking for, you want to try particular variety of flowers or vegetables. You can get cheap seeds like these, 50 cents, and you're able to start and try some new seeds or use them in your garden. But like I was saying, this, you want to make sure that if you have some particular special seeds, you want to get them early, because usually those seeds might run out and you might not be able to get them also. And also there are different ways you can get the seeds. You can get seeds from the store, you can get seeds from catalogs, you can get seeds from online and other garden centers. So definitely check out the various ways that you can get seeds. I'll see if I can put some of the most popular ones in the link below, or check the shop below. So but they have quite a few variety of seeds and few selections of seeds at the beginning like this, because everything is here. So give it a couple of weeks, you're gonna start missing a few of them, because people are just buying it and trying to make sure that they have enough, so that way when it's time for them to either start seeds indoor or plant, they have the seeds readily available. As you can see here, they have huge selection of corn, carrots, pumpkin, squash. They have cucumbers, zucchinis, all the leafy greens, lettuce, salad mixes. They have a good selection of it over here. So at this time of the year, when it's still cold, you can plant stuff like lettuce and kale and all those leafy greens, even onions. You can plant some of those things, but as it's still getting warmer, then you can start going into stuff like starting your peppers and tomatoes indoors, and so that way you give ample time for you to be able to get your seedlings in time. So usually pepper is the first to start, because it takes a very long time for them to germinate and grow. So you want to start with stuff like peppers to start starting them indoors, and then followed by, you can go with tomatoes and eggplants and other items. So you can see they have watermelons over here also, and like as if you've seen, there are different prices over. This one is $2.46, and this is organic seeds. You have them at $2.46 over here. Like I said, they have different prices and from different vendors. This one is Fairy Moss. It's a different company. We also saw Burpee already, and there's a couple of other ones that you can also find at Walmart. But there's so many different varieties and so many different vendors or suppliers of seeds. So check out your local stores and see what you have. let me know in the comments below if you've already started looking for your seeds already. Let me know in the comments below if you already bought your seeds, and let me know where you get your seeds, or the best places where you get your seeds. So most of my seeds, I'll say 95% of my seeds, I saved them from last year. So if you don't know how to do that, check out my YouTube video, 7 Savings Garden, where you find various ways to save various seeds, and that way you're not buying seeds every year. So usually I buy maximum 5, sometimes even 2% of my seeds, because I try to save as many of the various seeds as possible. I come to the store to look for something new that I don't have, or something special, or if the seeds that I had last year, I wasn't able to save one particular seed or the other, then that's when I come to the store and look for different seeds. But most often I try to save my seeds, so that way I don't have to buy seeds every year. And also, saving your seeds would help you not only save money, but also make sure that the plants that are doing well in your garden, you continue to grow those same plants, and they'll continue to do even better. So you can see flowers. They have flowers and other herbs over here, and all of these herbs, you can grow most of these herbs also in containers, or you can also start them a few weeks before the start of the growing season indoors, and then transplant them. So these are still seed starting mix. These are seed starting supplies over here. You can use this to start your own seeds, or you can make your own seed starting mix. I have a video that shows you how to make your own seed starting mix, and that saves you a lot of money. You can make your own seed starting mix for pennies. So check out my video, 7 Savings Garden, on YouTube. So over here you have a huge selection of flowers. Beautiful, you can see the colors, beautiful flowers. So if you're looking for some particular type of flowers, check them out. They have flower bulbs over here, and all you need to do is just plant them and you're good to go. So they have some good quality bulbs over here. A few years ago I got some bulbs, and I also planted some bulbs, and I usually like to plant perennials because they come out every year. But if you love annual bulbs, then you can still continue. You can plant annual bulbs. One good thing with annual bulbs is that they are a little bit more. Sometimes you get those unique colors and unique brightness that you don't find in annuals, in perennials. So here you have some fruits. If you love fruits, you can plant fruits like blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, strawberries. They have all those fruits right now. Like I said, at the beginning of the season, you can find a huge selection of them, but as people start picking them up, then you start losing that selection, and you might not be able to get what you want. So if you intend to grow something like this, even if it's a month, 2 months early, grab it and just put it aside, put it in a nice location, warm location, so that when it's time for you to plant it, you plant it. You follow the instructions on the box. It tells you when to plant it, or the best time to plant it, and you follow the instructions, and you'll be good to go. You'll be able to get some either flowers or vegetables at the right time, instead of driving from one place to another looking for the seeds. So I also put some important sites where I get seeds that I can't find in stores. I'll put those in the link below, or check out the bio or the link below. So these are seed starting trays. If you don't have seed starting trays, you can get seed starting trays like this. These are 72 cell seed starting trays. You can also get different sizes. There are different sizes of there's some 36, and there's some 72, and there's some other bigger ones. This 36, the cells are a little bit bigger, and this one's a little bit more expensive because it's reusable and it's durable. So if you want to go for something that will last long and much easier for you to use, it easily pops out the seedlings when it's ready to go, when it's ready to be transplanted. Then you want to get something like these burpee seed trays are very, very good. Also, Back to Roots is another type of supplier of seeds. They have good quality seeds too, and even though their prices are a little bit higher, but they have good quality seeds. You can get Like I said before, burpee is also another big supply of seeds, and you can see they also have a good selection of seeds. So check your local garden centers, or go online, or check the links below for some places you can get seeds at a discount or on special prices. Check those links below. Here they have different seed starting supplies. You can see these ones. This is a greenhouse, mini greenhouse seed tray. Same with this one over here. And then you have some seed trays down here. This is 36 seed tray. Usually this one is good for like tomatoes and peppers, since they're gonna stay a little bit longer and they're gonna get a little bit bigger before they get transplanted. You can use big containers like this reusable or disposable or biodegradable cups to plant like peppers and tomatoes, and those can hold the tomatoes for a much longer period of time because they're bigger as opposed to those tiny little ones. So you have a different variety. Burpee has its own organic seed starting mix, and like I said before, you can make your own seed starting mix and save a lot of money, especially if you're gonna start a lot of seeds. You want to try to save money by making your own seed starting mix. You just require a few items and you're good to go. Okay, and that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, smash the like button. If you're not following me yet, follow me for more videos like this, and don't forget to share. Thank you so much for watching. Happy growing, everybody.